important that you understand this question, what I'm putting it to you. When you read an article, let's take an example of your newspaper. When you read an article here, in the newspaper, let us say one article contains 100 words. Let's just have that yardstick, okay? Now in this 100 words, how many would be the keywords? Around? Yeah, I want some numbers. 25. One after the other, please raise your hand. 5. Okay, my friend just says 5. Girls? 25. 25. 25. Okay, guys. Till now, I have got right from 5 till 25 till 35. Okay, it depends. Believe me, it again depends changes from person to person. Now you have to understand one thing, that in let us take an example of 100 word article. Believe me, 40 words is what we have to remember and read. This sounds astonishing, but yes, it is true. Because in an article of 100 words, there are 40 words is what which my brain has to read and understand. The rest are all side words. See, this is a gift. In this, what is the word which I have to remember? Gift. This is are all sight words. So it is not that you don't have to read. It is just that you master your brain to oversee or fasten the reading process when you are encountering a sight word. This definitely happens with practice. See, these are all the techniques which we do it with a lot of activities, okay? We have a sight word cancellation reading. That activity are 2-3 activities. But for now I am trying to tell you, when you are trying, you are all smart, okay? You can understand it the first go. When you are reading an article, whenever you encounter a sight word, make this either as a group or a cluster of words, wherein you can just read it in a jiffy and move to the next keyword. Okay? This needs practice. So the speed reading technique says that whenever you are reading, you should mentally frame chunk of words. Normally what happens, all the sight words come in a chunk. Normally, I am not saying always. Okay? So whenever you encounter these kind of group of sight words, you just don't emphasize so much on that. You move to the most important part of the material. This again happens with the practice. Okay? Believe me, when you try to read this 100, when you try to cancel all the sight words, you are left with 30 or 40 words only. So imagine reading 100 words and imagine reading 30 words. The speed definitely increases. Yeah? So this is something which you have to understand. Yeah? When you are trying to do this, please understand. See, now just see on the board I have written something. What is this we have written on the board? These are called as eye exercises for enhanced reading. Okay? Eye exercises for enhanced reading. Very simple, but believe me, if you are in the need to improve your reading skills, this is what you have to do it every day. It is not something that you do it once and just forget it. Like how you brush, like how you eat every day, this is something which you have to do. Just before you start reading, or what I suggest is every day do it 2 times, it doesn't take sense. Okay? Just see how are we supposed to do this. Very simple. We all know the sequence. The sequence is ABCD, correct? Yeah? So now, all these ABCD are put up in a way and they have joined through lines with arrows. You understand the direction through the arrow? Now, in my mind, I am trying to do this to start with 8 times, then 16, then 32, I am ending up at 64 times. Okay? This is the normal 8, 16, 32, 64 times.